Today we're going to be looking at multiplying monomials. We're going to look at the expanded version of it and how we can go through and do these. So this first one says 3n to the second power times 4n to the fourth power. Our expanded version looks like so. 3n times n times 4 times n, 2, 3, 4 of them in here. With this, we go through and multiply our coefficients together. Our 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And then it's just a matter of counting up how many n's do we have. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of them, so I now have n to the 6th power. Looking at example 2, putting our expanded form, it's going to be negative 3 a times b times b times b times 5. Then we have an a, and then we got the b. So I now multiply negative 3 times a positive 5, which that gives me a negative 15. I go and collect all my a's. I have 1, 2, 3 a's. So I now have a to the third power. Go and collect up all my b's. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 b's. So I have b to the 7th power. We have been multiplying our monomials. Looking at example 3. Example 3, we have 3 things being multiplied this time. We can still write it out in our expanded form. So that'll be 2 times a times b times a times b times negative 3 times a, because it's a squared, times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 b's. I now multiply my numbers together. I have 2 times negative 3. 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6. I gather up my a's. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 a's, so that is a to the 4th power. Gather up my b's. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 b's. So I now have b to the 7th power. And lastly here, looking at example 4. In example 4, I have 3 times c times g times, this is like saying negative 1, times g times 2 times c. There are 4 of them, c to the 4th power. And then g, there are 3 of those, because g to the 3rd power. I now multiply my 3 numbers together. 3 times 2 times negative 1. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, and negative 1 makes that a negative 6. I go gather up my c's. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 c's. So c to the 6th power. And then my g's, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, which gives me g to the 5th power. Multiplying monomials, we're looking at their expanded form. Good luck.